everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to find out what is in my monthly Ipsy bag and my BoxyCharm box. Yay! Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what's inside these things this month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Alright, before we dive into these subscription boxes and see what I was sent this month, I first want to tell you guys that you have one more week to enter into my YouTube giveaway. I am giving away a $50 Ulta gift card to one of you. The rules are in the description bar below, so make sure you get in your entry by Friday, March 23rd, which is next Friday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is where I'm located. Also, I want to thank you guys for the great response that I got for Tuesday's video. I didn't think I was going to stump as many people as I did, and I actually did. I was really impressed. And a lot of people were impressed too, and it just kind of like opened their eyes to, you know, how expensive makeup can be. But yeah, I might turn it into a series. I'm not sure, but we shall see. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month. Please pardon my hair. Today is hair washing day, so it is pulled up and it's nasty. So anyhoodle, let's go ahead and switch it up and let's do the BoxyCharm box first, and do the Ipsy bag second. Got stuff everywhere and I'm just like, I feel so discombobulated today. I don't know why. Probably because I'm filming on a Friday and don't have the video already done, but treatment kind of took a toll on me this week. So that, and I was waiting for a BoxyCharm box to come in and I was just like, good Lord, because I don't want to separate these two videos. I just think it's too much. Okay, so, card. The theme for BoxyCharm this month is Baycation. I hate that word, bay. I don't like it at all. I don't know what it is about that word, but I can't stand it. But yeah. Enter for a chance to win an exclusive BoxyCharm giveaway worth over $400. This is what the card looks like. Of course, on the back is the value of the products. So let's go ahead and start digging in. I also got a coupon for Butter London, 25% off your next $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. That's pretty cool. All right. First thing I see is from Butter London, and it is their Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Interesting. Butter London is cruelty free because it is made in the UK. And for those of you who don't know, the UK actually has a law where any product that is manufactured there cannot go through animal testing. So that is amazing on its own. I absolutely love it. But yes, Butter London is cruelty free. It says 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash growth. Where do they get these numbers from? I mean, do they just like throw a dart on a board and just be all like, oh, 314, oh, 200. I just want to know where they get these numbers from. It's just, I have directions on here. I'm not kidding. It says directions. Position the wand horizontally at the base of the lashes and apply in a zigzag motion from root to tip to get every lash for full curl length definition. I am weak. This has directions on it. Pretty cool. I can't wait to try this out. All right, the next item we have is from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Make Them Blush number 18 in Hush Blush. Oh, before I go any further, if you happen to hear anything in the background, they are finally tearing up the tennis court to make the dog park. So if you hear any kind of rumbling, noises, or machines or whatever, I apologize. Okay, first off, this packaging is gorgeous. I love this packaging. Pretty Vulgar is cruelty free. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Ooh, that's a pretty color blush. It's a little patchy though. But that's a pretty color. It kind of reminds me of, I want to say Captivating a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. But that's a pretty blush. And like I said, this is pretty packaging. I really like that. It's nice. All right. Next we have South Main 3 Eye Gel Packs. Reduced puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes the eye area. Oh, my nose itches. Basically, these are like the S&P eye masks that I use. They're under eye gels. They are cruelty-free. Look, there's the little bunny. Cool. Oh, I like how they have an expiration date on here. 12/6 of 2020. Pretty cool. Looks like you get 3 sets, which means you'll get 6 in there. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I still have my jar of S&P ones, but hey, you can always use backup. All right. Then we have a from the vintage cosmetic company, Smokey Eye Brush Set. Huh. Take care when using near eye. Brushes have synthetic bristles. You know what that means, right? Someone's poked their eye out with these brushes. Oh, cool. It's got a little code on the thing. That's pretty cool. I have to check to see if this brand's cruelty-free, though. It doesn't say anywhere on the... It doesn't say anywhere on the package, so I'm going to have to check. I believe they are, but I will check. Get these brushes out. I'll be right back. These are really cute. This one says step 1 for the money. Step 2 for the shadow. And then it says step 3, go girl go. That's pretty cute. I like that. That's neat. Pretty cool. I like that. They're nice and soft too, but I have to check to see if they're cruelty free or not. Because if they're not, they're going in the donation bin. All right, and the last thing we have looks like a palette. BoxyCharm and Pure. I guess this is a collaboration. BoxyCharm Pure palette. It is cruelty-free. It says cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. There's the bunny right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says it's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. And of course, I got freaking tape all over it. I guess this is an exclusive Pure palette just for BoxyCharm. Oh, that's so cute. You can see the little hearts on it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. There we go. Little hearts on there. Let me get this tape off and I'll be right back. I'm going to tell you what. That tape did not want to come off. Alright, let's see what this palette looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, they got a shade named Bay in here. Ugh. But it looks really pretty. God dang it. Oh, it's a shimmer black. It's not a matte black. It's a shimmer. You got some warm tones in there with some pops of color. It's okay. It's nothing really like pow impressing me. Got some oranges. They're nice. They're soft. I mean, I don't know. There's nothing seems. What the? That color's pretty. That black is nice. I don't know. I'm going to have to fiddle around with it to see if I like it. Because right now it's not really wowing me. I don't know. I might just be being picky. But that might just be me. I don't know. Like I said, this is nothing really wowing me. It kind of reminds me of the Sweet Peach palette a little bit. Except for that blue and that pink shade. Oh, jeez. Now I have this mess going. But, yeah. Let's see here. These swatches ain't coming off. I'll be right back. Okay, so back to this palette. Yeah, it's not really impressing me. I'm just, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to play with it, if I'm going to put it in the donation bin, but like I said, it's just not really impressing me. Like, it kind of reminds me of the Sweet Peach palette without these two colors. So, I don't know. Yeah. And I forgot to smell the mascara. Y'all know I am a sucker for smelling mascara. Ew. It smells a little funky. Look, there's the wand. It smells a little funny. It's mascara. What do you expect? Alright, let's check out these prices. Alright. The palette is $36. Okay. The mascara is $20, which I believe that because most brand mascaras are around that price. I know Tarte's mascaras are that price. I think Too Faced's are that price. So that, I see that. The under eye gels are $10 for 3 sets? That is ridiculous. I have the S&P, which come with 60 of them, that gives you enough to do 30 times for $13 off Amazon. That's insane. The brush set is $23.15. It's weird. They just throw the random 15 in there, and I don't know. And the blush is $26. Good night. This is an expensive box this month. I don't know about some of these prices, but yeah. Some of the items are okay. I mean, I like the blush. I have to try out the mascara. I have to see if the brushes are cruelty free. The eye packs I have in my fridge. The palette is okay. This month is just alright with me. It's just alright. Now, let's see what's in my Ipsy bag. I gotta, like, get it. I piled stuff on top of it because I'm smart like that. Okay. Now let's see what's in this Ipsy bag. Ooh, this is a nice bag. I think this is the bag where they give you markers so you can color on it. Oh yeah, here are the markers. Orange and green. Awesome. Create is the theme for the Ipsy bag this month. It says, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, mash up 2 lipsticks, and blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you've never usually tried. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt. Right, it's time to create your masterpiece. I'm not going to read it all. Just read that first one. All right, let's see what's inside here. Labatika Transforming Liquid Foil Mask. It says it's pearl and it's brightening. It's for all skin types. And it's a peel-off mask. Huh. Liquid foil. I gotta try this. I gotta look at this. Okay. Ooh. That's got some shine to it. Yeah, that's got some shine. But see, when I think of foil, I think of aluminum foil. That's got some shine to it. Let me wipe that off for it dries. Alright. Next we have Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. I know this brand is cruelty free. Baked highlighter in Prosecco. Prosecco. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, that's real pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a rosy gold highlighter. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this as a highlighter though. There we go. That's really pretty. I like that. That is really pretty. I don't know if I'll be able to use this as a highlighter or I might use it as an eyeshadow. I don't know. Either way, it's gorgeous. Alright. Next we have, got skincare this month. Trufora Triple Action Exfoliator. Cool. I know this brand is cruelty free because what I don't know, for those of you who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. When they give out the list each month of what is going to be in the Ipsy bags, I go through each brand to see if they are cruelty free or not. And this brand is cruelty free. Let's see here. Ooh, we got a little Tarte liner, the Sex Kitten liner. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice and creamy. Another black liner to add to my collection. And last we have another brush. This one is from, I think this is a SL Miss Glam one. Yep, SL Miss Glam. It is their 3L41 brush. Is that an L or is that an S? Oh, it's their SL41 brush. I don't know what that means because they don't have it printed on the handle and they don't have the name printed on the ferrule, but this may be a highlighter brush if I'm not mistaken, but this handle was really pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like this. I thoroughly enjoyed my Ipsy bag this month. I actually liked it. I liked it a lot better than my BoxyCharm box. So, but then again, Ipsy never really disappoints me. So, yeah, that's all that I got this month. Let's chat down below. What did you get this month in your boxes? If you got them or not. I do have referral links in the description bar if you are looking to sign up for either BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I do believe BoxyCharm does not have a waitlist right now, so you might want to get on that. But yeah, as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett, and on Vero as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, it is not what I want to say. I need a drink. I need a drink. I love this eye look I did today. Did the light green highlighter. Can never go wrong with browns and greens. And that eyeliner's not coming off my hand. Wish the hubster were here so I can see him before he goes to work. I'm gonna go run some errands this morning.